Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily upload longer videos on your Instagram Reels. So first, let's head over to the Instagram app. Just scroll to the right, then click on Reel. Click on this arrow down button. And from here, you can see length. Just click it. Now you have an option to record 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds for your reels. And after that, you can now easily upload or record reels with 3 minutes length of video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can upload longer videos on your Instagram Reels. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!